Hey, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're down in Holiday, Florida, and we're going to start a job for the waiting room, bathroom, and office down at Knorr's Car Care. So we're all set up here, and we're about to get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the waiting room. So they've removed the carpet, and then they have a nice surprise. There was tile underneath the carpet, so we're going to get all this off the floor, get back down to concrete. We are going to do baseboards. We're going to follow the picture windows with about a ½ inch or so. We're going to go up the wall, but here we're going to go 4 inches up the wall. So in the bathroom, what we're going to do is we are going to do, in addition to the baseboard, we're going to do a cove. And that cove is going to make the bathroom waterproof. It's going to fill all the voids between the floor and the wall into the baseboard. So make it very easy to keep clean. And then back here is another office. This is our end point. And they have removed the vinyl baseboards, and then they skin back the coat of the wall. So we're going to follow that, and then after this is all going to be painted. So let's get started. Okay, here we go. This is a quick segment just to show our progress. So we did all the prep, we did all the grinding, we did a little bit of repairs, as you can see. Just it was a lot of divots. It actually wasn't bad. A few big cracks that ran throughout, but otherwise pretty good shape. So again, this is the waiting room, and we have our prep done. Here's the office. So we have all our prep and our baseboards in. Now we're going to put the floor in. And then in our bath, it's actually very good shape. Lots of times you open these up and there's a lot of plumbing that had been done previously, but this was looks all original. So we did do the curve in here. I'm sorry, the cove. So that's that little round over. And then what we did too, we recommended to the owners here to take the fixture out. And the reason why we say that is because you'll always have floor up to the flange, and then whatever fixture you ever put in here in the future, you're going to have floor to be able to marry it up. Okay, so we're all set up with our chips, and we're going to get the floor in. Okay, here we are, all finished. This is the waiting room. Slide the floor into the base of the plates of the windows. Baseboard. Polyaspartic top coat. Here's the bath. Again, this bathroom has the cove built in to the baseboard, which is going to help keep it clean. And here's the office. Now, next step is they are going to have all this painted. This color is Raven. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport, Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.